will show you how to send an automated WhatsApp message when you receive a WP Form submission. To do that, you must have WP Forms Pro version and WP Forms Webhook add-on on your WordPress site. You need to download the add-on from the WP Forms website and install it on your WordPress as a plugin. First, you need to create a WhatsApp message template which will be sent when you receive the WP Form data. To create the message template, let's go to Bot Manager. Select the WhatsApp account and then go to Message Template. We already have some approved message templates. For this instance, we are not creating any new message templates. We will use this message template for WP Form submission. Now, let's go to the webhook workflow. Give a name to the workflow. Select the WhatsApp account, then select the message template. Click on the Create Workflow button. Now, copy this webhook callback URL. We will need this URL on WP Forms. Let's go to the WP Forms to create a form. Click on Add New option. Give a name for your form. Select a template. So, this is the form that we will use. Let's add a phone number field in this form, because we must need a WhatsApp phone number to send a message. Now, go to Settings and click on the webhook. Here, just enable the webhook. In the request URL, paste the copied URL from the bot sailor. Select Post as the request method. On the request body, select the name field and enter a parameter key. Let's add another request body and select Email. Add one more for the phone number. Add another one for comment and message. Finally, save it. Now, go to the review form and submit example data for mapping. Hit the Submit button. Now, click on the Capture Webhook response. This will fetch the example raw data for mapping. Now, we have to map the webhook response. Click on the phone number and select the phone number. The phone number has a plus sign at the beginning, but WhatsApp doesn't work with a plus sign. Let's create a formatter. Give a name to the formatter. Select action as Trim Left. On the Trim field, put the plus sign. Now, just select the formatter. Click on the Save Workflow. Let's check this automation now. Go to the WP form again. Fill up the form. Hit the Submit button. Now, let's go to the workflow report. Yes, the campaign is successful. The user should receive a WhatsApp message. So, this is how you can send an automated message when you receive a WP form submission.